Welcome to Curie Electronics. This is the second lecture on Karnaugh-MAP. So today we are going to solve sum of products form. How to minimize SOP form using the Karnaugh-MAP. First we will see what we are going to learn today. So this is the first question, a 3 variable Karnaugh-MAP. Just we have to we have to make the graph, make the Karnaugh-MAP, not graph, Karnaugh-MAP. Then one more 4 variable Karnaugh-MAP. Here we have to say 3 variable Karnaugh-MAP minimization. Next a 4 variable Karnaugh-MAP minimization. Again a 3 variable minimization, but with this we will see the various combination. Then there is a these kind of questions, that is in the form of function it is given. Then with a don't care. So we have 10 questions are there to solve today, so that you will be thorough about the Karnaugh-MAP. So let's start. Plot the boolean expression y equal to a, b, c bar or a, b, c or a bar, b bar, c. This is a 3 variable Karnaugh-MAP. So we know we need 8 cells. So as per that I have made the boxes. Now let's write what is we have to write AB. We are going to map the expression ABC. So this AB can take 4 combinations, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. The same thing can be written as A bar, B bar. What is 0, 1? That is A bar B. Then AB for 1, 1. Then we have A, B bar. And C can take 2 values, that is 0 or 1. That is C bar or C. Now let's mark the ones. Sum of products means it is ones. Now what is the for this literal A, B, C bar? A, B, C bar, we have to mark it on the Karnaugh-MAP. So we have to look for A, B, C bar. A, B. So here A, B, C bar is here. So it is 1. A, B, C bar. So we have marked A, B, C bar. Next, what is the literal? A, B, C. So it is in the same row. A, B means 1, 1, A, B, C. So it is here. And the last literal, what is that? A bar, B bar, C. Where is A bar, B bar? That is first one. That is 0, 0. A bar, B bar, C. So we have drawn the Karnaugh-MAP, but we are not done the simplification. What about the remaining cells? The remaining cells all are 0. So this is the product of, not product of sum of products. SOP, sum of products. Let's take the next example. Plot the boolean expression y. We have one expression we have to map in Karnaugh-MAP. We have to represent using you have to represent this expression using Karnaugh-MAP. So again it is a 4 variable, so we should have 16 combination. So A, B, C, D. A, B can take values of 0, 0, or we can write it as the same thing is A bar, B bar when we take in terms of variables. Then 0, 1, that is A bar, B. Then 1, 1. 1, 1 is A, B. Next is 1, 0, that is A, B bar. We are seeing how to mark the ones in the Karnaugh-MAP as per the given expression. So what about C, CD? It can take the value of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Or we can write it as C bar, D bar, C bar, D, CD, C, D bar. Now let's mark the ones. For the first literal, A bar, B, C bar, D. So first we have to look for the A bar, B. Okay, A bar, B, C bar, D. It's here, correct. A bar, B, C bar, D. Next, A, B bar, C, D bar. A, B bar. First look for A, B bar, the down one, the bottom one. A, B bar, C, D bar. It is the last column. So 2 we have marked. Next one, A bar, B, A bar, B. Okay. Second row, A bar, B, C, D bar. Last column, A bar, B, C, D bar. So this also we have marked. Next one is A bar, B, second row, C, D bar. Oh, I have mentioned 2 times. So this is the same. So it's not required. And what is there next? A, B, C bar, D. So A, B, in the third row, A, B, C bar, D. That is the last one. So we have marked. This is how this is how we can mark the ones, and the remaining all are zeros. So this is how we mark the ones in Karnaugh-MAP for SOP minimization. Minimization we have not done. Now the next question we are going to do the minimization. Now the question is minimize the expression using K-MAP, and expression is given. Now it's a 3 variable expression. Now let's write it as A, B, C. So AB can take 0, 0, the combination 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Or we can write it as A bar, B bar, A bar, B, right? Next is AB. AB means both A equal to 1, B also equal to 1. Next is 1, 0, A, B bar. C can take only 2 values, either 0 or 1, that is C bar or C. Now we are minimizing the expression using the K-MAP. First literal, what is the literal? A, B bar, C. A, B bar, C, where it is. So the last row, A, B bar, C, here. Next is A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, first row, C, last column. Next what do we have? A bar, B, C. A bar, BC. Second row, last column, A bar, BC. So 3 we have completed. First 3 we have completed. Next, A, B bar, C bar. A, B bar, C bar. Here, first. Then A bar, B bar, C bar. All are zeros. So it is here. Now, what we have to do? We have to minimize the expression. So what we do? To minimize the expression, what we do? We will group the ones. So we have to look for the biggest group. So here, what we do? We can group these two ones. These two and these two, we can group it. So one combination we got. What about the next one? Next, these two we can group it. Now all ones we have taken care. So if you group the edge ones, that is 1 1 with the let me mark with this one. This is green color. Now first we are going to let me write it y. Y is the minimized expression we are going to write. Now what do you do? We are going to group this red color 4 ones we are going to group. So it is a chord. So if you have a chord, 2 variables should get eliminated. So here total 3 variables are there in each literal. So the answer should be only 1 variable. Now if you take here this row, how do you simplify it? We will take this row and this row. If you take those 2 rows, what happens? Original form and if it contains, when we take 2 rows, if there is original form and complemented form, that is, if A is the original form, original form, and A bar is the complement. So when you consider these two, this row and this row, what is there? It is 0 0 1 0. Now what happens? This A bar, A is there and A bar is there. That is original form and complement form. So these two will cancel. These two will get eliminated. Here what is there? Next what is there? If when we compare this row and this row, consider B bar is there. There is only complemented form is there. So in the expression we will get B bar. Before writing, what about that is in the horizontal way? Vertically what is there? Vertically these two, C and C bar. This will go for the AND operation, or it will combine C and C bar. Then what happens? When there is a original form and complement form, this will cancel each other. So when you group this red color 4 ones, we get what we get? We get B bar. We get B bar. Or now one more group is there, that is marked by the green color. Whatever we have round, there is whatever the ones are there inside the green color, that is a pair. So when we group 2 ones, it is a pair and 1 variable will get eliminated. So this is the column wise. If you see column wise, it is 1 1 and only 1 variable is involved, that is C. So C we can write it. When you take row wise, these 2 row. So here what is happening? These 2 row, this 0 1 original form and complementable form will cancel. So B and B bar cancels. But only A bar is there, both the rows. So it is C A bar. C A bar. So this is how we simplify it. C A bar. Let's go to. Okay, next question. Minimize using K-map. Why one expression is given? And I have drawn the K-map, the cells. Now let's mark the ones. A bar B, C bar, D bar. So first look for A bar B. The second row, A bar B, C bar, D bar. Yeah, first column. Next one, A bar B, C bar D. A bar B. Second row, C bar D. Last column. No, it's wrong. A bar B, C bar D. Second column. Next, so first two we have completed. Third literal, A, B, C bar, D bar. So A, B, C bar, D bar. Next, A, B, C bar, D. So same row, A, B, C bar, D. So these first four we have completed. Next one, A, B bar, last row, C bar, D. Next one, A bar, B bar, C, D bar. So it is here. Now we have to minimize this. So the remaining all are zeros. So let's make the groups. So here if you look clearly, it is a group of 4 ones. That is a chord. Then we can take one more pair, which is a pair, these two ones. Then we have, this doesn't have any pair. Okay, now what is the simplified expression? So y equal to, now whatever now we are simplifying the chord. So for that what you have to do? We have to see the two rows. That is A bar B, AB. So here when these two rows are there, we have two variables. If variables are there in original form and complemented form, they will cancel. So here A bar A will cancel, B will be left. So I'll write B here. And if you take the column wise, it is C bar, D bar and C bar, D. So here for D, original form as well as complemented form is there. So D cancels. But C bar is having only complemented form. So it is B, C bar. Or, correct, when a chord, two variables will get eliminated. Now what about the two ones in the blue color? That's a pair. So here the column is same. Now now here for the group of two ones, if you take rows, what is there? A, B bar. So because for B variable, there is original form and the complemented form. So B bar, B will cancel. A will be left. And only one column is involved in this. So whatever is that column variables, we have to just write it. That is C bar D. Or the one we can't club with anything else. So one we have to just write it. What is that one represent? The literal A bar, B bar, C, D bar. So that is the answer. It is B, C bar, A bar, A, C bar, D. Yeah, answer is correct. Next goes to the next question. It's a 3 variable, minimize the expression. So we can write it as, what we can write? A, B, So 3 variables. So it is A, B, C. A can take 0 or 1, that is A bar or A. BC can take 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So we can write it as B bar, C bar, B bar, C, BC, B, C bar. Now let's mark it quickly. A, B bar, C. A, B bar, C here. Next, A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C here. Next, A bar, B, C. A bar, B, C. A, B bar, C bar. Last one, A bar, B bar, C bar here. Now, we have to simplify this. So what you can do, here also you can do the grouping. So 4 ones we can take it. What about the remaining cells? All are 0. Then these two. So we have a chord and a pair. So what do you write it? What is the output expression? Y equal to, when we take the chord, what happens? 2 variables should get eliminated. Which are the rows involved? A bar A, original form and complemented form. So that variable will get cancelled. When it goes the column wise, it is B bar, C bar, B bar, C. So C will get cancelled, B bar will be left out. Or now we have the pair. So a row, only one row is involved. So just write the row like that. That is A bar. Now what we have in the column wise? B bar, C, B, C. So B bar, B will cancel. What will be left out? C. So this is the minimized expression. Next, minimize using K-map, the given expression. Now let's mark the ones, because this is the sum of products. A bar B, C bar, D bar. Where is A bar B? A bar B is the second row. C bar, D bar, first column. Next, A bar B, same column, C bar D. Yes. Next, A B, C bar, D bar. A B, C bar, D bar. Next, A B, C bar, D. A B bar, C bar, D. A B bar, C bar, D. A bar, B bar, C D bar. C D bar. Is it right? Yeah, let's simplify it now. Now we have what you have to do, we will group it. So here also what we have a chord. Here we have a chord, then we have a pair and one single one. So this single one we can't do anything. We have to just write it like that. Now let's write the expression. This you will do it yourself. That is, if you take the rows, first we will consider the rows, row wise, the chord. So A bar B, A B. So A will cancel, B will be left. In the row wise, B will be left. What about in the column wise? C bar, D bar, C bar, D. So C bar will be left. Or pair, we'll take the pair, that is 1 1. In the group wise, the row wise, when you compare A B bar, so A will be left. Column, only one column is involved, so same thing we have to write it down, that is C D bar. Or now 1, this one belongs to, the single one belongs to A bar, B bar, C, D bar. So that is the simplification. Next question. Reduce the following 4 variable function to its minimum sum of products form using the K-map. So let's mark the variables. Let's mark the ones. So A bar, B bar. So first row C, D bar 1. Next A, B, C, D bar. A, B, C, D bar. Next A, B bar. Last row A, B bar, C, D bar. A, B bar. Next is this. A, B bar, C, D. A, B bar, C, D here. Next A, B bar, same row, C bar, D bar. C bar, D bar. A, B, C bar, D bar. A, B, C bar, D bar. A bar, B bar, C, D. And the last one, all are complemented form, then it should come here. Now, the remaining all are zeros. So how do you minimize this? We have to group it. So what we do, we can group these two. These two we can group it. Similarly, how do you group the other one? See, this also we can take it as another group. We should look for the highest group. These two ones and these two one also we can group it. Now what is left? Here, see, this one, again this one, and this left out one. These 4 also we can make it another chord. That is how you have to simplify. But never club diagonally. Okay, horizontally you can club and vertically you can club. So let me write the expression. First we will take the red color chord. If you take red color chord, two rows, that is AB and AB bar. So definitely B will cancel, A will be left. And what about the column wise? Which are the columns involved? C bar, D bar, C, D bar. So C will cancel, D bar will be there, left out. Or next we are going to consider the blue chord. So which rows are involved? A bar, B bar, A, B bar. So B bar will be left out there. What about columns? So CD and CD bar. Out of that, D bar will cancel, C will be left out. Now what is the final chord? That is the yellow color one. 4 ones are there. So here, which are the rows involved? That is A bar, B bar, A, B bar. So A cancels, B bar will be left. What about the columns? C bar, D bar, C, D bar. So D bar will be left out. Correct? So what is the answer? This expression will get minimized to A, D bar, B bar, C, and B bar, D bar. So that is the simplification. Next, reduce the following function using K-map. So here, how do you write? 0 means what? 0 means we have to write it in, say 4 variables are there. So we have to write it as 0, 0, 0, 0. See, sigma m means it is the sum of products. By seeing this sigma m, we have to identify that it is sum of product. So 0, 0, 0. That means it is what? A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Next is what is the number given? 1. 0 and 1 means 0, 0, 0, 1. That is A, B, C, D bar. Next is 4. 0, 1, 0, 0. So how do you write? A bar. Oh, these all are bar. I made a mistake here. Let me correct it. It's just D. So A bar, B, C bar, D bar. Next, what is 8? What is 8? 8 we should write it as 1, 0, 0, 0. That is A, B bar, C bar, D bar. And finally, now 9 and 10 also left. 9 means 1, 0, 0, 1. That is A, B bar, C bar, D. Next is 10. That is 1, 0, 1, 0. So what do you write? A, B bar, C, D bar. So now let me mark it. Mark the ones. 0, 0. All are 0, 0. Now I'm marking it little fast. 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 0. Next is 1, 0, 0, 0. So now 4 are over. Next 9. 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0. Now how do you group this? So here also we can group it. We can make a chord. So these 4 are in a chord. This is single. Because it's in the corner, we can't fold the corner. Horizontally, vertically we can fold it. And this pair becomes another one. 1, 1. Now I'll write the expression. What is the output? Minimize the expression y equal to the chord. The chord will simplify to 2 rows are involved. That is A bar, B bar, A, B bar. So B bar will be left out. B bar. Next is the column wise C bar, D bar, C bar, D. So C bar will be left. Or next we have a pair. That is the row wise A bar, B bar, A bar, B. So it is A bar will be there. Column we have to just write it. That is C bar, D bar. Or what is that this one single one represent? That is A, B bar, C, D bar. So that is the reduced expression for that. So what we got? B bar, C bar, A bar, C bar, D bar, A, B bar, C, D bar. Correct. Next question we are coming across is don't care. Reduce the following function using K-MAP technique. F of A, B, C, sigma M 0, 1, 2, 3, 7 plus sigma D 2, 5. So D is the don't care. So this is 3 variable Karnaugh-MAP. So before solving it, let's see what is don't care. In some logic circuits, certain input conditions never occur. Therefore, the corresponding output never occur. A circuit designer, that is whoever designs the circuit, is free to make the output for any don't care condition either 0 or 1 in order to produce the simplest output equation. That means the designer can choose 0 or 1 for the don't care values so that he has to get the simplest output equation, which requires minimum gates to implement. So here I'll write it as A, B, C. So it is C, A, B can take the value of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Then don't care. Don't care is 2, 5. Now I'm going to directly write it without writing anything to save time. That is 0, 0, 0 here. Next one 0, 0, that is 0, 0. So I'll get 1, 1. I know all of you know how to mark it. So 4 digits are over. Then what about the don't care? Now don't cares I have to mark it. When it comes to don't care, 2. Where is 2? 2 means 0, 1, 0. So this is the don't care. What is the next don't care? 5. 1, 0, 1. Next don't care is here. Now it is easy to, if I consider this x, that is don't care, I can take it as either 1 or 0. If I consider it as 1, it is better, so that I will get a chord, a group of 4. If I get a group of 4, then it is easy to simplify. Now because this don't care, if I make it 1, it is helping it to reduce the number of variables. That means number of gates are reducing, number of inputs of the gates are reducing. So here let me write the output, y equal to first the red color code, that is a bar, to which are the rows coming, a bar, b bar, a bar, b. So b cancels, a bar will be left, the column wise both will cancel. Or now what about the green one? So all rows are involved, so a bar, b bar completely cancels, c will be left out. So output expression is a bar or c. So we have seen the don't care also. So now let's solve the last question. So here, so what I will do, instead of writing everything in detail, I will just mark it. I hope now you know how to simplify. So first I will mark the, what you have to do, you have to write previously how I wrote. 0 means 0, 0, 0. 7 means 0, 1, 1, 1. Like that you have to write and mark the variables. So I already marked and kept. So it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So how many ones are there? How many variables? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is the one more? One comes here. Then we have the don't cares. So this is one don't care. This is one don't care. So 2, 5, 13. One more don't care should be there. This also don't care. Now to simplify this, what I do, I have to look for the largest groups. So this don't care, I will make it 1. Then I will make this as one group. This is a chord. Then what else we can do? These two ones, I will make it another group. This one. Then this also I will make it as 1. Don't care, I will consider it as 1. I will make one pair here. The last one, these two. These two, I will make it as another pair. Right. Then we can write the simplified expression. And if you write the simplified expression, what you get, I will write it here. You please try yourself. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. It is x bar, z bar, or w, y bar, w bar, x, z. This much you should get. If you don't get the answer, or if you are having any issue, please ask in the comment section. So I know this is a bit lengthy video, but it's almost 10 questions are there, so you will get very good practice. And I expect you will be watching this video after watching the first part. If you like the video, please share with your friends and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.